Hey guys, today let me show you how to make a great whipped cream and get a great forearm workout at the same time. No more buying a can of whipped cream because you can make it right at home. So let's get started right now. Here I have a bowl of ice and we're gonna whip the cream over it. The idea behind that is the cooler it is, the quicker it is to whip the cream. The ice will really help to chill the cream, which will make the whipping process much quicker. So place the bowl right over the ice bowl and start whipping. Now there are quite a few ways to whip the cream. You can either just go in clockwise or counterclockwise direction, or you can do a figure eight technique where you are kind of just making an 8 with the whisk. The idea behind that is it actually helps to incorporate more air compared to the counterclockwise method, but personally I do tend to lose sync of the 8s and it gets confusing to the point that I'm just doing circles. So here's the challenge as you're making whipped cream at home. Don't stop moving those arms, keep working those forearms. This is the workout until you get soft peaks. If you didn't work out today, make some whipped cream and you'll be ripped. So that's the challenge. Don't stop moving your arms until you get the soft peaks in your cream. You can go in clockwise, counterclockwise, or figure eight. Whatever you prefer. You can go slow, you can go fast, whatever you want. But let me know how you did in the comment section down below and it'll be fun to compare. So this stage right now is very critical just because you can see as you're moving the whisk, it's leaving streaks. It's leaving streaks because it's getting thick. We have incorporated just enough air and it's very close to finishing at this point. Now I want to add the sugar and the vanilla right now because if I whisk too much, your whipped cream is gonna get chunky like ricotta, and that's not a pleasant texture. It's like you can over whip it very easily. So you always want to like under whip it and then just be very careful until you get to the stage you want to be at. You basically want soft peaks, which I'll show you what it is, but basically if you raise a peak, it should kind of droop down. So add your sugar. I don't know how much sugar to add. How much is that? Oops. And here I'm using the good stuff. This is not vanilla extract. This is literally vanilla bean paste. If you find that, treat yourself and get the paste. Now before we move any further with this recipe, I want to warn you, this recipe is too tasty, so please be careful. It's just too good. It's too tasty. Like too good. Okay, so keep whisking now. Keep checking by lifting your whisk like that. As soon as it stays and the tip of the peak droops down, you're ready. Guys, this is very close right now, so be very careful. Keep checking and make sure you don't over whip it. So that's perfect. It goes up and then it droops down. That's a soft peak. Now stay tuned, don't click away yet. Let me show you how I enjoyed this whipped cream. And spoilers, it's gonna be hot, it's gonna be chocolatey, and if you haven't guessed it until now, please leave me a like down below because you are gonna like what you're gonna see right now. Let's take a look. If you guessed it, props to you. Treat yourself by making this whipped cream recipe today with some hot cocoa and warm yourself up and snuggle up this winter season. Be sure to hit like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Leave me a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.